Gantt chart is nothing but it's a concise one. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And when you will be forget you about your knowledge or you are knowing the utility of Gantt chart or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just think that you are a novice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This particular diagram says that by 17th of January, this introduction to software engineering is going to be completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And once this introduction to software engineering is completed, then only software estimation is going to start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just look at this particular line here. Okay. Since I have drawn it using Excel, so it is not very difficult for me to draw. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And actually, this is not a chart. This is just a plain diagram that I have made. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you how to draw Gantt chart using your Excel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just the line between these two columns are saying that the beginning of this activity number 2, that is software estimation, is after the completion of first activity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this third activity is going to be finished by 10th of February. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this fourth activity is going to be finished by 20th of February. This sixth activity is going to be finished by 3rd of March and so on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I am teaching you and you are learning, okay,
Yes, sir.
then on one particular day we will try to find, say on 14th of January we are there and we are finding that what is the progress. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At that time I will find that I will have to either speed up or continue the same momentum or slow down the momentum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we are going to achieve our schedule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have drawn this particular diagram with respect to the syllabus that we are having. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have considered that the syllabus that we are having is going to be complete in more than 55 days. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In 1 week, we are having 5 lecture classes.
Yes, sir.
So accordingly, I have planned. Okay.
Yes.
So this particular topic, introduction to software engineering, is requiring 5 lecture hours, means 1 week.
Yes.
This software estimation will start at the beginning of second week and it will continue till the end of third week.
Yes.
Software risk management is going to start at week number 4 and it will end till week number 4. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Software engineering tools, we have consumed probably 3 classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I have told you people that I will involve one more class there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So roughly it is going to take 1 week.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this particular diagram, you are able to find that how you are achieving your goals. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or what is the deadline to achieve your goal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
अब जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग को जब हम लोग इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे तो प्रोबेबली हम लोगों ने 8 क्लास लिया था. ओके.
Yes, sir.
It means we have not strictly followed the schedule.
Yes, sir.
There may be some reasons for that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one such reason is that you have been brought into this type of environment for the first time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is why some additional time has been taken. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am sure you have got the idea that how this is going to help the team manager, team leader.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you are appearing in a class and I am conducting the class, then I will have to report the status also.
Yes, sir.
So I will report this status that, look, this is the chart that I have drawn, and with the help of this particular chart, I will be able to complete my classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ पर आप देखिए, हम लोगों ने डे वाइज तो ये चार्ट बनाया नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
So we can even enhance this Gantt chart in day wise format also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
कि भाई हम डे 1 को कितना प्रोग्रेस करेंगे, डे 2 को कितना प्रोग्रेस करेंगे, एंड सो ऑन. ओके.
Yes, sir.
अब मान लिया जाए कि उस डे को मैंने जानबूझकर डे बोला था. ओके.
Yes, sir.
उस डे को मैंने डेट रहने दिया. ओके.
Yes, sir.
और मैंने कहा कि भाई क्लास जो है वो चलिए मान लेते हैं 7 जनवरी को स्टार्ट हुई. ओके.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि जनवरी मंथ में जब क्लास स्टार्ट होती है तो बीच में 2-3 दिन छुट्टी रहती है, सो दैट कि भाई लोग जो है सो न्यू ईयर की जो सेलिब्रेशन है उसको सेलिब्रेट करके अच्छे से आए. ओके. ऐसा ही माना जाता है.
Yes, sir.
तो चलिए मान लेते हैं कि 7 जनवरी को क्लास स्टार्ट हुई. ओके.
Yes, sir.
और 7 जनवरी तक हमने क्या देखा कि भाई हमने जो है कि हमारे कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम तक हम लोगों ने काम किया. ओके.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure if you are going to divide your milestones into sub milestones, or you are going to divide your goals into your sub goals, then you are going to get an extensive, or you can say comprehensive Gantt chart.
Yes, sir.
And there you are going to incorporate every minute detail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो, ये जो आप देख रहे हो कि मैंने इसके लिए केवल 1 वीक रखा है ना.
Yes, sir.
सो यू कैन से कि दिस इज अ समराइज्ड वन. यहाँ पर हमको एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं चल रहा है कि इस गोल को, इस माइलस्टोन को अचीव करने के लिए हम लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं. ओके.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर ऐसा होता तो मान लो कि मैं यहाँ पर इस कॉलम को बड़ा कर देता. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
और यहाँ पर जो है मैं एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स इंसर्ट करता. फाइन.
Yes, sir.
और उस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स को मैं उसमें क्या क्या मेरा सब गोल्स है वो भी मैं यहाँ पर डाल सकता था कि पहले मैं ये काम कराऊंगा, फिर ये कराऊंगा, फिर ये कराऊंगा, या पहले मैं ये करूंगा, फिर ये करूंगा, फिर ये करूंगा, एंड सो ऑन. ओके.
Yes, sir.
सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्लान योर सॉल्यूशन. ओके.
Yes, sir.
गॉट इट क्लियरली?
Yes, sir.
So I am sure you are not being able to find any sort of difficulty.
Yes, sir.
So let's move forward. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So now just look at the last row. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In all these rows, I have not inserted any text box, but here the text box is. Okay.
Yes.
The text box is here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो ये देखिए, ये आपके सेकेंड वीक के ये अराउंड 40% पोर्शन को यूज किया है.
Yes, sir.
It means 5 plus 2, 7 days are, or 7 classes are required.
Yes, sir.
तो अब बताइए, आपको आपकी रूटीन के साथ अगर ये गैंट चार्ट प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाए तो यू विल बी एबल टू प्लान थिंग्स प्रॉपरली.
Yes, sir.
अगर इसी चार्ट को एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट को प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाए, देन एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट विल बी नोइंग कि भाई बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस डेडलाइन, ये जो लाइन है, इस लाइन तक हमारा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ऐसा है ना?
Yes, sir.
बात समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
सो हमारे जो मैनेजर्स हो गए वो आपके हमारे एचओडी हो गए.
Yes, sir.
हमारी एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट इज आल्सो आवर मैनेजर, है ना?
Yes, sir.
who is tracking the development with respect to each and every course.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure you have also got the idea about the milestones and goals and the utility of this Gantt chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर फ्यूचर में रिक्वायरमेंट होगी तो आप बना पाओगे.
Yes, sir.
So this is our Gantt chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are having two options left. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First, that this lecture is going to be wind up. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Which is not going to be done by me right at this moment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whatsoever I have thought to discuss along with you people with respect to the design documentation of the project titles allotted to each of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have done that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will send this diagram also to you so that you are going to get benefited from it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now I am going to discuss about the way through which we are going to design our Gantt chart using Excel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for that you have to have your data in front of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after that you will select the data and you will go to the bar chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And there you are having a stacked bar chart. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are going to get the option stacked bar chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With the help of stacked bar chart, we are going to create our Gantt chart using Excel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो आप ऐसा करोगे कि आप एक ट्राई करोगे, बनाने की कोशिश करोगे. अगर बन जाता है तो ठीक है, और नहीं तो फिर मैं उसको डिस्कस कर दूंगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
So I am sure you have got the idea about Gantt chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ओके. आप LMS पोर्टल यूज कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
LMS पोर्टल में देखोगे मैंने कुछ नोट्स जो है वो आपको भेजा है, जो कि मैंने अभी उसको कवर नहीं किया है. ओके.
Okay, sir.
उसमें 8th ऑप्शन है SPM, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. ओके.
Okay, sir.
It's a very big topic. It's not a very small topic. It's project management is not a very small topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
उसमें आप देखोगे वहां पर एक कैंट चार्ट और एक पर्ट चार्ट भी होगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
पर्ट के साथ ऑलवेज CPM बोला जाता है. पर्ट हाई /CPM. ओके.
Yes, sir.
CPM क्रिटिकल पाथ मेथड. ओके.
Okay, sir.
और sometimes we will call it critical path technique also, CPT. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When you have drawn this diagram, you are able to find कि आप सॉफ्टवेयर की टेस्टिंग को पढ़ेंगे उसके पहले आपको प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट पढ़ना होगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
देख रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
अब सॉफ्टवेयर की टेस्टिंग आपको करनी है तो आप जब कोड डिजाइन करोगे तो कोड डिजाइन करने के दौरान तुम बहुत सारे कंडीशंस को चेक करोगे, डिसीजन मेकिंग एक्टिविटी करोगे.
Yes, sir.
आप आइदर लूपिंग करोगे और नहीं तो ब्रांचिंग करोगे.
Yes, sir.
हर एक की टेस्टिंग होती है. ओके.
Okay, sir.
मैं आपको कुछ सैंपल्स उसमें दिया हूं, आप देखोगे और नहीं आपको समझ में आएगा तो फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा. ओके.
Okay, sir.
तो आपको सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट में आपको एक एग्जांपल मिलेगा गैंट चार्ट का और एक एग्जांपल मिलेगा PERT CPM का. ओके.
Okay, sir.
यहां पर आपको पाथ शो नहीं कर रहा है ना,
Yes.
लेकिन यहां पर आपको डिपेंडेंसी शो कर रहा है कि ये एस्टिमेशन जो है वो इस इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद होगा, है ना.
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Yes,
Testing
sir.
will be done after SPM. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure you are now able to understand what a PERT diagram or a PERT chart or what a Gantt chart is going to say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And accordingly, you will design the diagram. Fine.
Yes, sir.
आपको याद होगा जो मैंने PERT चार्ट बनाया था उसमें मैंने माइलस्टोन्स के लिए वो सर्कल का इस्तेमाल किया था ना.
Yes, sir.
आपको पता है जब मैंने आपको फर्स्ट डीएफडी बना करके दिखलाया था वे बैक इन सेमेस्टर 1, तब आपको पता भी नहीं था कि ये डीएफडी है. उस दौरान मैंने प्रोसेस को एक सर्कल के अंदर रखा था, थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट किया था.
Yes, sir.
इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट.
Yes, sir.
मैं रिपीटेडली उस जीरो लेवल या कॉन्टेक्स्ट लेवल डीएफडी का को रेफर कर रहा हूं, तो आप देख लो कि वो जो प्रोसेस है वो प्रोसेस आप सर्कल के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. ओके.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आप PERT चार्ट डिजाइन कर रहे हो, वहां पर आप गोल या माइलस्टोन को अगर सर्कल के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, ओके,
Yes, sir.
इट मींस यू आर स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन द लॉजिकल पार्ट. ओके.
Yes, sir.
और अगर आपने वहां पर रेक्टेंगल का इस्तेमाल किया या स्क्वायर का इस्तेमाल किया, ओके,
Yes, sir.
देन यू आर यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्चुअल पार्ट. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Probably you were present in our first class, the theory class.
Yes, sir.
Here I have discussed about conceptual layer and logical layer.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure you have got the idea that how one particular thing can be conceptualized and how it can be implemented.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I have told you to your name is Vivek, na?
Yes, sir.
So I have told you, Vivek, that you have to design a function, okay, to add
Yes,
two
sir.
numbers. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So whensoever you have heard that you have to design a function to add two numbers, the structure of the function is in your mind.
Yes, sir.
That is the concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That how you are willing to realize the solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the method through which the realization take place is known as a logical approach. Okay.
Yes, sir.
कैसे रियलाइज करोगे, रियलाइजेशन का आपने जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट डिजाइन किया, दैट इज योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल मॉडल. ओके.
Yes, sir.
तो मैंने आपके सामने एक कॉन्सेप्चुअल मॉडल के रूप में आपको एक गैंट चार्ट प्रोवाइड कर दिया कि देखिए सिलेबस को मैं ऐसे कंप्लीट करूंगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
इसमें ये तो डिटेल नहीं ना दिया हुआ है कि हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ माय स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं है.
No, sir.
So this is the concept. So that is why I'm telling you about the conceptual things and logical things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you are enhancing this particular chart and you are getting some detailed information within it, then you will say that it is going to be a logical one also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you are artists or not? Everybody is an artist. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even you are an artist and I am also an artist. Yeah, it depends. It varies from person to person. The degree of precision, the degree of efficiency, etc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you are going to create an interface, okay,
Yes, sir.
this Gantt chart is what? This Gantt chart is nothing but it is an interface through which I am able to impart certain information to you and you will be able to comprehend those informations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when we are going to design an interface, okay,
Yes, sir.
we have to be very clear about what role we are going to play. Okay.
Yes, sir.
or what role the interface is going to play. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You all know that programs are of three types. Applications are, don't say program, applications are of three types.
Yes, sir.
One is your Windows based application, other one is your web based applications, and the other one is your console based application.
Yes, sir.
So right at this moment, we are not restricting ourselves with respect to this console based. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are going to discuss about the window based and web based. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first try to think about a window based interface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to design a form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you are going to design the form, you have to select the color, contrast, appearance, etc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So usually we tend to accept the sober nature of the user interface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there, what the question is, how we are going to establish that this is sober and this is non-sober. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
बात समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
अब आप अगर लाल रंग का शर्ट पहनते हो और आप कहते हो कि इट इज कूल, इट इज सोबर, इट्स फाइन. ओके.
Yes, sir.
और मैं अगर ब्लैक कलर का शर्ट पहन के कहूं कि नाउ आई एम सोबर, सो इट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन आवर परसेप्शन.
Yes, sir.
But in general, light colors are used, light color and light contrast are considered as cool or sober. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are not going to design a form with vibrant colors. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Probably you have gone through that applet part of Java.
Yes, sir.
आपको याद है ना?
Yes, sir.
There, just a minute. Wait for half a minute. So Vivek,
Yes, sir.
you have got the idea about panel.
What, sir?
Panel? No. Okay, no problem. You have seen any graphical user interface in a very micro manner. आपके सामने कोई ऐसा ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस है जिसको आपने बारीकी से देखा है? हेलो. It seems to me that link with Vivek has been lost. Okay, roll number 719.
Yes, sir.
Rajneesh, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rajneesh, you were taking part in the discussion.
Yes, sir.
Just try to find out when you are observing this Gantt chart, you are finding that I have taken some vibrant colors. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They may be some dull or some light colors also. The tone of the color is going to be light, etc., etc.
Yes, sir.
So when you are going to design an interface, you must know what actually you want to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are having an interface in front of you, which is asking for username and password.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whatever interface which is coming in front of you is nothing but it's a form.
Yes, sir.
whether you are using Windows mode of application or it's a web application, you are going to face a form in front of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are finding a text box where you have to enter your username. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And on the left hand side of the text box is the label which is specifying username.
Yes, sir.
So label is there which is having the caption username, and a text box is there where you are submitting your, don't say submitting, you are writing down your username.
Right. Yes, sir.
Similarly, there is one more control is going to be there. That is one more label is there. Their password is written over there. The caption is password. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you are again having a text box there. You have to enter your password.
Yes, sir.
And after that, you may have three options: cancel, reset, and submit or OK.
Yes, sir.
So these three are the buttons.
Yes, sir.
So with respect to form, you have just got the idea that three controls: text control, button control,
Label.
and caption is also a button. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these three are being used. Okay.
Okay.
Now I don't let the user to enter without specifying their role.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have given you an option, say role,
Okay, sir.
and the roles are admin, teacher,
Yes.
okay,
Okay, sir.
and the student. Three roles, and there is one more role, that is guest.
Yes.
So in order to use all these four options, we have to use radio buttons. Okay.
Okay.
So you have got the idea that there is one more control that is called as radio button control.
Yes.
Okay. When you will be in semester 5, okay,
Yes, sir.
and you will be discussing this VB.NET, okay,
Yes, sir.
there you are going to discuss, or you are going to study about ActiveX controls, okay.
Yes, sir.
So right at this moment, I am not I'm not going to discuss about ActiveX control, okay.
Okay, sir.
You will be able to discuss later on, and if required, I will try to introduce, okay.
Okay, sir.
So it depends on at the time when we were discussing this interface design, user interface design, then to what extent we are willing to go, okay.
Yes, sir.
So as I have just told you that we are discussing user interface, okay.
Yes, sir.
So user interface is nothing but it's a part of the system which is allowing the users. And who are the users? They are the actors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are providing space, you are providing an interface where actors of the system are going to act. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you are going to design a login page, then either you are using the Windows component or you are going to use web component. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You are going to design a form.
Okay, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
The appearance of the form is going to be in such a way that it appears good when a user is able, when his user is viewing it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the user is not finding any strain over their eyes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It means the appearance of the interface is to be in such a way that it is not going to irritate your eyes. In fact, it is going to soothe your eyes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm sure you have got the idea.
Yes, sir.
Now there, if you are entering your username, you are entering your password, you are entering the role which you want to dispense, okay?
Okay, sir.
And after that, you are clicking on any of the buttons like submit, cancel, reset, etc. Then you are in fact in trying to input the data, okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And when you are pressing the submit button, in fact, you are giving a command. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When you have entered your password is appearing in front of you, but in a encrypted way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Usually our password characters are encrypted with a dot symbol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It means whatsoever input we have given is
Yes,
reverted
sir.
back to us also, and we are able to see that.
Yes, sir.
This is very simple one because what we have entered is being observed by us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if we will provide an option that after clicking on submit button, okay,
Yes, sir.
you are getting the information that you are logged in as this role. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your login time is this, your username is this, and your password is not informed there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It means after successful login, we are getting a report of our successful login status.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. So, Rajneesh,
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you are able to understand things properly.
Yes, sir.
Suppose after clicking on the submit option, it has been observed that username is invalid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you are getting an invalid username as a message.
Yes, sir.
So this is again due to the code that you have written with respect to the submit button. Okay.
Okay, sir.
बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you are going to design the user interface,
Yes, sir.
you have to put one option that is called as output also.
Yes, sir.
For example, the option name is report. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So report is an output. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Report is an output. So you have to design a report format. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you will be discussing or when you will be studying .NET, you
Yes,
will
sir.
be or you are going to study Crystal report.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this option, you are going to design your report format. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to generate a report,
Okay, sir.
right? At this moment, my milestones are to which group of a student I am involved with,
Yes, sir.
and what are the topics that are being cared by me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for that, I have to design a report page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you are going to design that report format, you have to provide an option about dynamism.
Yes, sir.
Dynamism. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose the report to be generated is a daily report. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is going to be weekly,
Yes, sir.
it is going to be quarterly, quarter yearly,
Yes, sir.
and so on.
Okay,
So if you are going to design report pages for each of these categories, then there are n number of reports to be formed.
yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So instead of that, what you will do, you will create one report format and you will try to incorporate all
sir.
the possible combinations that may be required for may be required at the time of report generation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I am going
Okay.
to design and generate the report, at that time I have thought that I am looking for a daily report.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to have different options.
Yes, sir.
And for that, we are going to use one particular option, that is drop down list.
Yes, sir.
From drop down list, we are going to pick that which type of report we are going to get.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then we have to specify some parameters like starting date, end date,
Yes, sir.
and then we are looking for some attributes कि हमारे report में कौन कौन सा attribute होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you just try to imagine how complex your user interface can be.
Yes, sir.
आपने HTML पढ़ा है ना?
Yes, sir.
फॉर्म्स डिजाइन किया था.
Yes, sir.
तो जो कंट्रोल्स हैं वो आप मेरे को लिख करके भेजोगे.
Okay, sir.
ओके. जो आपकी जो कॉमन ग्रुप है ना, उस कॉमन ग्रुप में आप फॉर्म कंट्रोल्स के बारे में मेरे को बताओगे.
Okay, sir.
And when we will start discussing on Monday,
Yes, sir.
then we will look into that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just wait for about a minute or so, and after that I will let you people go.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 801, are you present or not?
Yes, sir.
So Umang, you have got the idea about the PERT chart, PERT, CPM and Gantt.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure when we are going to discuss about all these things, then you will not find any sort of difficulty.
No, sir.
So just try to find the areas where you are going to use it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after that you will be able to find कि भाई आप इसको जहां जहां use कर रहे हो, whether the usability is there or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Remember one thing, this PERT chart and the Gantt chart that you are going to use are only meant for managerial purpose. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Synopsis has been done.
Yes, sir. Solution by
I am witnessing some of the communication that are going on in the group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I am not trying to interfere into that discussion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right at this moment, I am aware that what you people are doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So very soon your synopsis is coming at my place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after that, I will go through all those synopsises and then I will tell you people about what next to be done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If modification is required, then fine. If not, then I will ask you people to draw the, don't say draw, to develop the report. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सारे डायग्राम्स आप यूएमएल डायग्राम्स बना पाए हो?
Sir, in synopsis?
नो यूएमएल डायग्राम्स.
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो यूएमएल डायग्राम्स जब आप बना लिए हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो अब हम लोग जो है सो आज के लेक्चर को वाइंड अप करते हैं और फिर हम लोग अब जब मिलेंगे मंडे को तो फिर देखा जाएगा. ओके.
Yes. Yes, sir.
ओके. टिल देन हैव अ नाइस डे. ओके.
Yes.
Can